Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the Monday, March the 19th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I had to check myself. It doesn't feel like March out there. It seems like we have gone straight to a summertime pattern here, bypassing spring altogether. But I guess it's the spring version of a summertime pattern. We're not talking about triple digits or anything like that, but we are talking about way above average high and low temperatures and a daily chance of these afternoon type of showers and thunderstorms. Kind of a fun pattern, really, if you enjoy the weather. It's kind of neat to watch these thunderstorms bubble up in the afternoon, and I think that's the kind of deal we're going to have all week long. Now, there's a major system across the country. It's a very slow mover. I'll show you that here in just a moment. Here's the severe weather reports from yesterday and last night, and all the activity there in the plains is with that next system I mentioned. And here's your severe weather outlook for today and tonight. Big slight risk all the way up into Minnesota. You don't have a severe weather risk in Minnesota in March terribly often, and then sizable moderate risk covering places like Dallas and Waco and Austin today. There's your tornado probabilities, 10% area lining up with the moderate risk, and pretty high wind threat today, 45% wind probabilities over that moderate risk area too. The hail probabilities are very high too. I didn't throw that in there, but the hail risk pretty high in that area as well. Now, again, this next system that's forming in the southern plains is going to be an extremely slow mover. So look at the HPC rain product. This is the 5-day QPF chart, and you're looking at a lot of totals over 7 and 8 inches over parts of the southern plains, easing into the lower Mississippi Valley in time. Now, the radar imagery this morning, kind of interesting to note this little disturbance cranking some showers and storms here in the Virginias. That's decaying as it drops off to the southeast, but it might bring the northern Piedmont a few morning showers. But again, we're in this pattern here where each day we're going to have some daily afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms that form. Now, there's the line of storms with that next system lined up from Kansas into Texas. And again, this is going to be just an extremely slow-moving system. I'll show you that in just a moment. Some severe thunderstorm warnings in Oklahoma with that, and also a tornado warning into Texas. And look at all the flood products out from Missouri to Texas with this system. Okay, that's what the upper air chart looks like off the European early this afternoon. This turns into a big cutoff low by tomorrow, sitting over West Texas. And as that low cuts off, as you might expect, it's going to cut off from the main upper level flow. So it's going to be a very, very slow meandering type of system. This is tomorrow. Let's look all the way out at Friday, and it's still sitting there over Kansas and Missouri. That system will not get in our area until probably this weekend, Saturday into Sunday, and that's Sunday morning when the European brings it right overhead. So this is going to be an extremely, extremely slow-moving system, and back in the plains in the Mississippi Valley, there's going to be a daily threat of severe weather and flooding. Here's a look at the GFS precipitation output for this afternoon into early this evening. More high-resolution look here on the SBC WRF, showing you that scattering of showers and thunderstorms probably forming once again. Tomorrow, more the same. Warm conditions, highs today, 80 or better in many foothill and Piedmont spots, and we'll do it again tomorrow. And that'll be the case every day this work week. Scattered showers and storms tomorrow, scattered showers and thunderstorms Wednesday. Notice that system, again, extremely slow-moving. This is all the way out at Thursday. We probably will, if all holds as it looks right now, maybe a little bit of a decrease in the daily thunderstorm coverage for us Thursday, maybe Friday too. There's Friday before that system actually pulls in here over the weekend. And then it looks like a pretty good round of some rain and storms Saturday into Sunday as that system pulls on through. And just to show you how the European lines up, this is the GFS on Saturday evening. There's the European at the same time frame. Pretty good agreement that we'll see that system move through here this weekend. So, again, that's kind of the deal for us this week. Another very summer-like week, at least a March version of a summer pattern. Warm, fairly humid, and we'll have daily chances for these showers and thunderstorms popping up. All right, that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.